The country has a broad-based government, where we have the national government and the county government reading from the same script. We've been having some disputes here and there, and some counties are fighting with the national government. But the Kisii County is privileged to have right administration right away now, with the national government speaking from the same script, especially matters to do with land. And I'm not here to propagate our Governor Simba's idea, but he really believes in the public land. Honorable Janda is a protector and defender of the public land. And I am here to stand in solidarity as my sole business number one, affordable housing. You understand where we are coming from, the Nyanchon land, is that we are viciously protecting and recovering that which was lost. And people of Kisii County, because I'm on media, I want to believe, let me kindly pass my kind word to every community member next to that government institution. Umekuja, umejenga hapo karibu. Na unajua hii ni shamba ya serikali. Once government, always government, forever government. No matter how violent the community is. I know Commissioner will have to address that issue. Our people have seriously grabbed public land. Seriously grabbed public land. Our people have seriously encroached onto public land. Encroaching is different from grabbing. You know, unalima ukipanda miti. Kugrab is when you have the records relating to land, and that is immoral. This was done way back in the 90s by our political class that was supposed to be the custodian and protector of public land. And that's why we have very many cases in this town. And those cases, especially for public land, revolves around a few individuals who wielded power that time. Let this message go down deep to everybody that is occupying public land, that one day, whatever development you are doing on that land will come down. I think you saw it from Nairobi. And I would want to tell the political class, kindly, let's talk to these people so that we have an harmonious way of handling and handing over these public utilities for public space. Kisii is shrinking. Somebody came here and I heard he saying, a few years to come, Kisii is going to be a village. Why? We have developed all over. We have no space for development because we have grabbed even the roadsides are all developed. So, shameful. Let us go back to the roots. Let us go back to our original development plans and recover everything that was public land. My parting shot is, I am here to assure that the dirt that was in this town, we are cleaning it slowly, no matter how long it takes. Kindly, will finalize this business. Succession matters have had a serious problem and a serious challenge. Mzazi aliyekufa, go to court, do succession, will issue the right documentation. We are now in the business of regularizing our ownership documents, which were procured through irregular and illegal processes.